Welcome to SKY TTS Audio Cutter, your fast and free online tool to trim, cut, and extract audio with precision. Start by uploading your audio file, or simply drag and drop it right here. SKY TTS supports all major formats including MP3, WAV, OGG, FLAC, M4A, and more. Next, set your start and end points using the waveform or enter exact times. You can preview your selection anytime before cutting. Once you're happy with the selection, just click Cut, and your trimmed audio will be ready to download instantly, with no quality loss. Fast, simple, powerful, that's SKY TTS Audio Cutter, the easiest way to edit audio online. Visit skyts.com and try it now. SKY TTS, create, cut, and convert smarter.